News viewers, we are here with the judgment of Pune Porsche case, the bail of the minor. So here we have with us Tikam Shekhawat, the consulting editor of Punekar News. Let us get back to him and get to know the judgment of the court.
Hi Nikita, hi viewers. I'll talk about the crux of the judgment, and as expected, the court has considered this as a minor. It's not a case of trial; it's a case of bail, and it's a case of release. So court says it's a case of Master X who is in conflict with law. We call it CCL, a person who is in conflict with law, and the person who is minor. But one of the most important thing here is, which is mentioned by court in the judgment, the very second page itself. Viewers, the judgment is of 34 pages. So on the very second page, court says, we must however take a note, the haphazard manner in which the prosecution agency has approached the issue. Means court is not very happy, or court is not very convinced with the way the prosecution, which means police, has approached the whole issue. And why court say this? Because they say the prosecution agency, the way they approach the issue, and they being rattled by the public outcry. मतलब पब्लिक का जो हाहाकार हुआ उससे इनका रास्ता जो है वो हड़बड़ा गए. They are rattled. Very important observation by court. Then they say it's a classic case where law enforcing as well as law implementing agency reacted to public outburst. यानी पब्लिक ने जब हाहार किया तो लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसी भी उसमें उस बहाव में आ गए. So this is the important comment on Pune police. However, from the Punekar News perspective and from the news story perspective, a very important observation is court has considered prima facie, the court has considered this case from the bail perspective as a case of 304A, not 304, which Pune police has invoked in the FIR later on. Court कह रहा है the offence prima facie falls under category of rash, reckless and negligent driving attracting section 304A, which means Pune police prosecution, now they can go to Supreme Court and they would need to still prove that this is a case of 304 and not 304A. Currently, court has considered this a 304A only. Also, court says that it is deemed, while pronouncing the judgment, court says that it is our solemn obligation, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी बनती है, that by adherence of the rule of the law, we feel we are bound by, though the respondents, which means prosecution, agencies have succumbed to public pressure, but as a court we will not. We are in the firm opinion that rule of the law must prevail. यानी सच्चाई की जीत होनी चाहिए, जो कानून का जो रूल है वो उसका पालन होना चाहिए, irrespective of anything. And they have mentioned a quote of Martin Luther King. Court says, as Martin Luther King has rightly observed, injustice anywhere is threat to justice anywhere. अगर कहीं भी अन्याय है तो वो किसी भी होने वाले न्याय के विरुद्ध है.
You are following the case very closely. So according to you, what is your opinion? Like, क्या पुलिस ने अपना एक्शन प्रॉपरली किया है?
Very important question, Nikita. At Yeroda police station level, I believe there were goof-ups. There were mistakes, there were issues, and perhaps that's the reason 2 police officers are suspended from Yeroda police station. But Amitesh Kumar, Pune Police Commissioner, and Crime Branch of Pune, I mean the team under Amitesh Kumar, I think they have not left any stone unturned to ensure that justice should be given in this case. And in my view, yes, police has done a good job, except Yeroda police station's role. But an important observation which has been given by Bombay High Court yesterday is, this is a clear case of fiat justitia ruat coelum. This is a Latin phrase which court has pronounced, and court said, let justice be done even if though heaven fall. कुछ भी हो जाए तो न्याय देना जरूरी है. And court observed that police fall prey to public outcry, police succumb to the public, I would say, pressure. But it's duty of court to ensure that justice needs to be given. And considering that, court in this judgment says that the remand which was given to prosecution, which means to police, 2 times remand was given of this
Yeah.
minor accused. Court has called this as illegal, and they say that law is objective thing and there it stand irrespective whether it entails any hardship. कितनी भी दिक्कतें कोई भी बात हो जाए, लॉ एक ऑब्जेक्टिव चीज है, यानी ब्लैक या व्हाइट है और उसके हिसाब से इस चीज में काम होना चाहिए था. And considering this, the bail which has been given initially by JJB, Bombay High Court has prevailed it. So yesterday when Bombay High Court said he needs to be released, the release is under the first bail which was given by JJB. So this is the crux of the judgment. It's a very big judgment, but we have just shared in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.